viewers, welcome back to our channel. I hope you all are doing well. So, let's begin with an amazing chapter from your storybook, that is Strange Pet. And it is a conversation, right? So, as we all know, that the love for the pet is a language that all creatures understand. So, in this chapter, we are going to learn about a family that is filled with laughter and debate, right? So, let us see that the what a new addition to this family brings a question to. Is this quirky companion a pet or a puzzle? So, to know this question, let us begin with the chapter. So, as you can see, first of all, in the conversation, we have the names of the characters that are in the conversation, right? So, first is the narrator who is actually describing the story, describing the scenes, that what is going on and how it is going on. Next is the character which is Mrs. Shrishti Batra, right? Next is again the character which is Mr. Samir Batra, right? The next character is Abhinav, Vivan, and Shaurya, right? So all of them are the family members. Now let us see that what was the conversation that was going on between them. So now the narrator is explaining the scene that there was a family, Batras, right? So the Batra's children always wanted to have a pet, right? And this wish was in their mind since a very long time. So, but whenever they used to ask their parents that can we have a pet, the answer was always the same. What was the answer? Let's read the conversation for that. So here Abhinav asks his parents that can we have a kitten? So now Mrs. Batra replies no. Actually, your brother is allergic to hairs, right? To cat hair. Now, Vivan said that if he is allergic with the cat hair, let us have an aquarium with fishes in it, right? Let's see what happened next. So now what happened? When Vivan asked for the fish aquarium, same mother gave the same reply, no, it is actually very hard to clean the fish tank, right? So now Shaurya came inside and said that I found this snake in the front yard. Can we keep it as a pet? Mrs. Batra obviously gave the same answer and she said a straight no, right? But after that, narrator is saying that one day what was happened, Mr. and Mrs. Batra were very happy and they were in a good mood. So they called all of their three sons into the living room and asked them to sit down, right? Now what happened? So now Mrs. Batra was talking to her children and she said that your father and I have been talking and Mr. Batra says and now we have realized that you three are mature enough. And then again, Mrs. Batra says to get a pet. So now that means their parents are actually happy and agreeing to the situation that you can have a pet. So now all the kids were very happy to hear that. They were very pleasant in a jolly mood and they said thank you to their parents. But now the situation was that Mr. Batra said, why don't you kids talk about and decide that what kind of pet do you want, right? Now narrator is saying that Mr. and Mrs. Batra knew that their children would always face a trouble in deciding that what kind of a pet they want. But just after that, Shaurya, Abhinav and Vivan came to their parents and they said that we know what kind of a pet we want, and they all of the three said it together that we want a bear. Now, let's see the reactions of their parents. So now, when all the children said that a bear. So Mrs. Batra was little in a confusion and said, "You mean a teddy bear, right?" But Shore said, "No, we want a real bear." And Shore explained to his mother, that think about it. If we get a bear, it is actually very special, and anyone else, no one else has a bear as a pet, right? So Abhinav says beer is very easy to feel, right? And because it loves only the simple things like berries, honey, and fish. Now, Vivan says, and it also sleeps in winters so that we can go on holidays during our vacations, right? So, Abhinav says that it would be a perfect guard for the home as well, right? Burglars would stay far away. Burglars means the robbers or the thieves, right? Burglars or the thieves would also stay far away from their houses if we have a pet bear, right? So now narrator says that the children didn't notice their parents turning pale. Pale means they were getting afraid, their colors of the face were getting off, right? And they were really feeling confused. Let's see what happens next. So now Shore says that of course if we get a bear as a pet, we will obviously require a big bedroom, right? So that the bear can fit in that room. And in but other than that, uh, I think we are all set to get the bear as a pet. Now Shore is asking his parents, what do you think? Now there was actually a silence. The narrator explained that there was awkward silence in the room, and the children looked at their parents' faces for the first time while they were conversing. Right now, Abhinav says, by looking at the face of their parents, because they were not at all satisfied. So, Abhinav was in a confusion and he asked, are we going to get a beer? Right now, narrator is again explaining. Mr. and Mrs. Batra looked at each other and thoughtfully they said, they were actually surprised with the answer of their kids, and in the same way the kids were also surprised after listening the answer of their parents. So what was the reply that their parents give? Let us see. Mrs. Batra told them that obviously you can have a bear as a pet. So now Mr. Batra says, your mom and I think it's a wonderful idea, right? All kids says, you do you agree? They were actually shocked that how can the parents be agree to the situation. But Mrs. Batra says, now it is your responsibility to take care of that bear. And I want to say that how will you all take care of that big and giant bear? Let's move ahead now. So now Mr. Batra says, yes, I would agree to the situation. And I would say that a bear would eat 10 kgs of berries or 5 or 6 large fishes. So now Mrs. Batra said, yes, that's too much for me to carry them home from the store. So now the kids will be responsible for the beer. So they said that the kids would go to the supermarket and pick up these things. Mr. Batra says that it will be hard for the kids in the summer because they have to walk 1 miles to reach the supermarket and then 1 miles again to come back to the home, and with that carrying a big basket with them with the 10 kgs of berries or fishes with them, right? So now Shore was actually shocked. Walk a whole mile, right? Abhinav says, every day. Do we need to do this every day? Not even a single day we can miss. And Vivan says, even in the summers also. So Mr. Batra replied, and of course, the beer's food is expensive too. So now what was the situation that Mr. Batra explained more? Let us see. So now Mr. Batra also explained that the food that you are going to buy would cost would cost very expensive for us. and we couldn't afford to buy the bear's food sometimes. So Mrs. Batra said, "Oh, yes, you are right. So I guess the kids will have to buy the food for the bear with their own money." Right? Now the kids were shocked and they said, "Our own money? Why would we use our own money?" So Mrs. Batra replied, "Oh, yes, but don't worry. It would not cost more than 10,000 rupees per week." Now the kids were again shocked that 10,000, but we only get 12 rupees for a week, right? So Mrs. Batra says, "Oh, yeah, that's right. I totally forgot that." But Mr. Batra replies, "Then no problem. We will provide them some extra course. Yani ki we will provide them some extra work for earning money." So now Mrs. Batra says, "Yes, that's a great idea." So they say that for 10,000 per week, the kids have to work for the whole day long right there. Right? Let's see. So now, by listening all this, Abhinav said, but dad did not listen. Mrs. Batra said that they can go to the laundry, they can cook dinner every night, right? Shaurya said, "Mom, no, we are not going to do this." Again, Mrs. Batra said, "They can also clean the garage, mow the lawn, and iron the clothes of the people." Now all the kids were fed up of listening this and they were angry and feared. So they said stop, stop and stop to their parents. Now the narrator says the Batra's children couldn't take it anymore, right? And they didn't want to walk to the supermarket every day. They were actually very much afraid of these things by listening them, and they said that we don't want to go to the supermarket every day, right? They don't want to spend their money that was only for allowances on beer's food, right? And certainly did not want coals, right? Now Abhinav says that we need to change our minds. We cannot afford a beer as our pet. So now Vivan replies, because pet because beer is not the right pet for us. We cannot afford it, right? Now Shaurya says, so then what should be our second choice, which is much more sensible than the beer? So Mrs. Batra says, okay, what's your second choice? Is that an elephant? Now she is going to trick the kids, right? And she says, is that an elephant? Is that a horse? Mr. Batra, is that a rhinoceros or it's a dinosaur? Right? So all the kids said, no, these are not our choices at all because they are actually very giant than the bear also. Right? So now Abhinav says, can we have a puppy? It would be good to have a puppy as a pet. So Shaurya said, yes, we would like to have a furry puppy. Vivan. Now Vivan says that we want a puppy that can play with us, fetch and roll over. Right? Now Mr. Batra says, now that is a sensible decision. He appreciates his kid and says that this decision is the best. Then the narrator says that 2 days after, Shaurya, Vivan, and Abhinav walked through their front door with a new puppy, and they were having a puppy in their hands after the 2 days. So now Mr. Batra says, why don't you name your new puppy, Tutu? So now dad gives them a suggestion that you can give the name to your puppy, Tutu, right? Let's see next. So now Shaurya says that no, I am not liking this name. This name is not quite right. Now Mr. Batra says, so why won't you call your puppy as a Buster? Then again Abhinav says, no, I am not liking Buster also. It doesn't sound right. Then Mr. Batra asks that what are you going to name your puppy then? And all the kids looked at themselves and replied with smiling faces, Beer. Right? So that was all about the chapter. I hope you all enjoyed it. And by reading the chapter, we got to know that the pets teaches us the loyalty and joy, right? And they also reduce our stress, encourage responsibilities, and reminds us that unconditional love isn't weird, right? So, join us for more inspiring stories about the pets, family dynamics, and more. So, do like the video, subscribe the channel, and press the bell icon for regular updates. Thank you so much.